Okay, so today I'm here and it's not very hot, so I decided to blow dry my hair with a new product that I got. Revlon Salon One Step Hair Blow Dryer and Styler. This is it right here. So I'm gonna quickly try to blow dry my hair and we'll see if it's as easy as it claims to be. My hair already has a leave-in in it that I use when I usually blow dry and or straighten my hair. It's kind of damp, so I'm just combing it. I'm gonna spray my heat protectant in there. And then I'm just gonna comb it through. Then I'm gonna split it in half. So I'm gonna split this piece in half. And this will be the piece that I'm working with first. I have not tried this yet. I haven't even turned it on, so we're gonna do this right now. High, put it on high. Okay, so I quickly just did that. That was what? 30 seconds? I don't know. And I wasn't even trying, and it pretty much got it straight. I'm gonna say my hair is not difficult to blow dry. I do it myself when I blow dry my hair. However, I'm always looking for an easier way to get my hair as straight as possible. So this is it so far. Focus. So I'm gonna do this other section right on top of it. So that definitely dried faster than if I had to use my comb with the blow dryer. That's more work on my hand, and then the paddle brush with the blow dryer. This is just like a blow dryer paddle brush, and that's great. So I'm turning it back on high again. Alright, my hair's still a little wet. I'm just trying to give myself a better view. I can't really see, so I'm just situating my mirror. Gonna get this hair out of my way. And then I'm just gonna finish this part. What I'm noticing already, which I like, is that my ends seem just as blow dried as the rest of my hair. Usually when I blow dry it myself with a paddle brush or even a round brush, the ends of my hair feel a little thicker. So I'm just gonna continue. I'm gonna do the other side in the back. Nice and shiny. Run my hands through it. I always have problems because the hair that's not getting done gets in the way. But that's a normal thing. Once everything is done, then everything will be seamless. So I'm gonna put that there. We're gonna tie this up tight so it's not as much in the way. So I'm gonna try this whole part together. I'm gonna spray the heat protectant on it. Right, it's pretty wet, so let's see. I'm just gonna go under here real quick. Right, that's this side. So right now it's been 13 minutes and 20 seconds since I started recording. So that's a pretty good time that I have 75% of my hair done. I'm gonna put this AC on for about 2 minutes so I can cool off, and then I'll do the rest. While I'm cooling off, I'm gonna spray this in this last part so it can dry up a little bit. All right now we're at 15 minutes. I'm gonna just split this part like I did before. That doesn't want to split. I'm gonna blow dry this real quick. Give me a sec. So right now we're at 17 minutes and 20 seconds. I'll be right back. I'm gonna quickly just go through some of the parts that look puffy. Done. Alright, and then I'm just going to split this in the middle and take care of the parts that are a little puffy. Okay, I'm all done now. I'm gonna turn the air on if you can't hear me. I'll do a voiceover. It's hot. Come on, air. Kick in. Okay, so I'm all done. It took me about, we'll say in total, 20 minutes. 15 if I did everything, like I took my time in each section. It would probably take me about 15 minutes to blow my hair out. So right now, I'm probably gonna braid it or put it in 2 buns so it can calm down and kind of sit together. And then I'll decide if I want to trim my ends. I think they do need to be trimmed. So I'm just gonna turn around so you can see the back. So this is the back. Very nice. And the ends, as you can see. And the ends, as you can see, they need to be trimmed, but no. I'm not a professional trimmer. And my hair needs to be dyed. It is really brown. And I like when it's black. Here's the side view. Other side view. And that's my blown out hair. Bye.